Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Who's AMG and I am back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a morning cruise POV drive in my E63S. I hope you guys like this video. Please follow me on all social medias. My Instagram is Who's AMG with 2 G's and my TikTok is Who's AMG with 3 G's. I hope you guys like this video. Fucking tires aren't fucking warmed up yet. Oh, so I've been peeping that all my videos has been going up. I think I've been hitting, I think my last video I hit 2K, and a couple of videos I hit like 2K, about to hit 2K, and one of my other videos about to hit already hit 7K. And guys, we're almost at, I think we're already at like 230 subscribers. I need you guys to start subscribing, commenting, and let me know what you want to see next, because I'm down to do whatever. You know, I'm down to do car meet vlogs, anything. Show y'all what's up in my life, things I like and dislike about this car. Well, there's not really much dislike about this car, but yeah, just let me know down below in the comment section. I want to know. What the fuck? Range Rover's wildin'. Are you serious? Oh, it's a shorty. She cute though, I'm not gonna lie. Some fine shit. Some fine shit. Ooh, okay, you wanna rip it when I get off the fucking freeway? Say no more. Say no more. Alright guys, I gotta run inside Stables real quick and go drop off this package. Let me turn off this shit. And do a nice pull. Come on, give me some space, and now. Damn. Damn, I fucked up getting in this lane. I'm gonna turn on autopilot. I haven't used autopilot. Speed it up. closer. Come on. Don't be scared. That's what the interior looks like in the daytime. The AMG embroidered onto the seats. Right here too, if y'all can see it. Oh, another feature I didn't show you guys, the massage seats. Boom. This is my favorite setting right here. Turn that on. Massage seats, autopilot. What else can you get with, bro? What doesn't this car not have? This car has everything, bro. This is really the best of nothing. Mercedes did not lie. And they didn't miss with this car at all. They did not miss. Let me turn it off because it's feeling a bit weird. I'm trying to lock in. Alright, let me turn that off. Turn this off. And turn this off. Alright, now we lock in. The tunnel coming up. Shut up. Let me in, 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 let me in! This motherfucker's soft, man. Welcome to Massachusetts. Shorty in a hurry, man. Relax, man. You can squeeze Jeep. Ooh.
Police reported a hit.
Where are you? Where are you? These folks on the other side of the damn road, bruh. There's always something. guys, let me know down below if I should go stage 1 first or stage 2, because I kind of want to do stage 1 first and try it out before I go stage 2, because stage 2 is about, what, 800 something horsepower, and stage 1 is about 740 horsepower. And I'm gonna get intakes too. So the intakes I'm about to get is Black Boost intakes. It's the version 2. They said that it has like 30 plus horsepower, which is pretty impressive. With, I don't even have to flash it or anything. I don't even have to tune it or anything. Like, all I gotta do is install it and that's it. So let me know down below if I should get that. These folks looking at me. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is on this guy's head? Don't worry about some of my head, lady. Worry about your goddamn self. Mind your goddamn business. Is that a plaid? I don't think that's a plaid. Good to know. We're at the bitch boy dealership. It's the punk dealership. Punk dealership. Nah, I'm just playing. I love BMW. MT40i. Regular traffic. No disrespect, but it's being real. It's regular traffic. Alright guys, so I got some Bagel World. I got a raisin bagel with strawberry cream cheese from this spot. It's in Peabody, Mass. Y'all should check them out. And let me know down below what type of bagels y'all be eating, because I like raisin bagels and I like plain bagels. Those are my top two. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. For all the people that watched to the end, please like and subscribe. Please follow me on all social medias. My Instagram is who'samg with 2 G's. And my TikTok is who'samg with 3 G's. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!